All right, so where do we find big data? The answer is in increasingly more industries and companies. Here are a few notable examples. As one of the largest online communities, Facebook keeps track of its users' names, personal data, photos, videos, recorded messages, and so on. This means that their data has a lot of variety. And with over 2 billion users worldwide, the volume of data stored on their servers is tremendous. Facebook requires real-time reporting of the aggregated, anonymized voice of its users, and it applies many analytical tools for its mobile applications. This means the company is investing in boosting its real-time data processing powers, increasing the velocity of its dataset. Great stuff! Now, where else can we find big data? Let's take financial trading data, for example. What happens when we record the stock price every 5 seconds, or every single second? We get a data set that is incredibly voluminous, requiring significantly more memory, disk space, and various techniques to extract meaningful information from it. Data like this would also be considered big data. We hope these examples clarify the use of big data in the real world. Catch you later.